Hey guys, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to post anonymously on Facebook group. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch Facebook application on your mobile device. Here we go. Now once you're here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now at the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see the option of menu. Tap on it. Now over here, simply select the option of Groups. Now once you come to this page, you can see various public groups that you can join and various groups that you are already a member of. So, for instance, I'm just gonna tap on this group that says America that I'm a member of. Now once you come here, simply tap on the option of Anonymous Post. Now you'll see a detailed information about how this feature works. After reading on it, simply tap on Got it. Now, once you come to this page, you can see that the toggle for post anonymously is turned on. If you turn this toggle off, you can see that your identity will be visible to the group members if this toggle has been turned off. You can read these details and simply tap on the option of OK, I understand at the bottom. Now, make sure that the toggle for post anonymously is turned on. Now over here, you can type an anonymous post for the group members to see. You can type anything you wish to. So for instance, I'm just simply gonna type in this message. So after typing in the message you want to post, you can also add additional photos. You can also add location, GIFs, your feelings and other text as well. Now after you have written your post, you can simply tap on the option of Submit that you see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll come to this page where you can see the rules of the group from the admin. Make sure that your post follows all the rules that have been mentioned here. You can also add your nationality here. You can also scroll down below in order to read the rules here and then simply tap on Submit. Here we go. After this, you have to wait for some time until your post has been approved by the admin of the group. So, if your post meets all the guidelines and criteria of the group, the admin of the group will approve your post and your post will be posted anonymously. So, that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.